Back in 2021, family was in town for a wedding. We had some free time, so one of my uncles hopped on my dad's bike, and we went for a cruise on what I call the Bush Beans route. The Bush Beans route takes about an hour. Curvy roads, open fields, woods, views of Douglas Lake and the dam, and a pass by Bush's Beans.
Thanks for cruising along.
QR code in the top left for official merch. Next ride is waiting in the top right. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.